Today, I'm going to reveal a strategy that many investors don't even know exists. One that can let you earn potentially 12% or more just by holding stocks. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me till the end, because this could completely change the way you think about stock investing.
Hi there. Before we dive in, please take a moment to read the full disclaimer on the screen.
So, let's talk about covered call ETFs. You may have heard the term covered call thrown around in financial circles, but what does it really mean, and why are so many investors using it to boost income without taking crazy risks? If you've ever wished your stocks could pay you extra cash while you hold them, then covered calls might be the answer you've been waiting for. Here's the basic idea. A covered call is an options strategy where you sell the right for someone else to buy a stock you already own at a certain price, called the strike price, within a certain time frame. In return for giving them this right, you get paid a premium up front. It's like renting out your stocks temporarily. You still own them, but someone else has the option to buy them at a pre-agreed price. And that payment, the premium, is yours to keep no matter what happens. Now, if you're thinking, wait, doesn't that mean I could lose my stocks? Yes, potentially, if the stock skyrockets above the strike price, the buyer might exercise the option, and you'd sell your shares at that price. But here's the kicker. Most investors using covered calls are more interested in generating income than making massive short-term gains. You get paid for holding your stocks even if the price doesn't move. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you own 100 shares of a stock priced at $50. You sell a covered call with a $55 strike price for a premium of $2 per share. That's $200 in your pocket immediately. If the stock stays below $55, you keep the $200 and the stock. If it goes above $55, you sell at $55, still keep the $200 premium, and maybe even profit from the price increase. Either way, you're earning income on top of your stock holdings. Pretty cool, right? But doing this with individual stocks can take time, research, and attention to detail. That's where covered call ETFs come into play. These are ETFs that own a basket of stocks and automatically write covered calls on them. So instead of doing it all yourself, the fund managers handle the strategy for you. You just invest in the ETF and start collecting income. Some of these ETFs have delivered yields around 10 to 12% historically. Now, before your eyes get wide with excitement, let me be clear. Returns can fluctuate, and like all investments, there's risk involved. But the beauty of covered call ETFs is that they can provide a steady income stream, especially in markets that are going sideways or slightly up. That's a situation where traditional stocks might not be doing much, but a covered call ETF can still generate cash. Now, here's a question for you. Would you rather hold a stock that might go up 15% in a year but pays nothing, or a stock that goes up 8% and gives you 12% extra in cash through premiums? Drop your answer in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thinking. One of the interesting things about these ETFs is that they're not limited to a single type of stock. There are ones focused on tech, energy, high dividend stocks, and even broader market indexes. This gives you flexibility to tailor your investments based on your risk tolerance and interest. And the best part? You don't have to track every option or worry about timing, because the ETF's managers handle all of that. But you might be asking, are there downsides? Absolutely. First, if the stock shoots way above the strike price, you'll miss out on the upside because your shares could be called away. Second, in a rapidly falling market, you're still exposed to losses on the stock itself. The covered calls can offset some of the drops, but they won't eliminate them. Third, fees. ETFs have expense ratios, which can slightly eat into your returns. But overall, for the convenience and income potential, many investors find it worth it. Another question for you. Do you think you'd feel comfortable giving up some potential upside in exchange for steady income? Or would that make you nervous? Type your answer below. I'm really curious to see what people think. Let's talk numbers a bit more to make it real. Imagine an ETF priced at $50 that pays a 12% yield. That's $6 a year for every $50 you invest. Multiply that by $50,000 invested, and you're looking at $6,000 a year just in income without even selling your shares. And remember, this is just the income from selling calls. Any stock appreciation or dividends from the ETF add to your total return. Some popular covered call ETFs you might have heard of include things like QYLD, XYLD, and NUSI. Each has slightly different strategies and focuses, so it's important to understand what they own, how they generate income, and the risks involved. But again, the main point is that these funds are designed to give you an income stream while keeping you invested in the stock market. Here's a little-known fact. Many retirement investors and income-focused investors love covered call ETFs because they can help fund living expenses while still keeping exposure to equities. Imagine having part of your portfolio generating monthly income through premiums. This can provide cash flow without touching your principal investment. I have to ask, if you could pick one source of passive income that works like this, would you jump on it immediately, or would you want to learn more first? Comment below. I really want to know your answer. Now let's make this even more interesting. Covered call ETFs don't just generate income. They can help you manage market volatility. In markets that are flat or slightly down, a regular stock ETF might lose value, but the premiums from the calls can help cushion the drop. Think of it as adding a financial buffer. You're essentially being paid to wait, which is a pretty smart way to invest if you ask me. And for those of you worried about complexity, you don't need to be an options expert to benefit. That's why ETFs exist. They package this strategy into an easy-to-invest product. You just buy shares like any other ETF, and you get exposure to the covered call strategy. No complicated trades or constant monitoring required. If you're finding this helpful so far, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video for more amazing content like this. It really helps us create more videos that bring real value to your investments. Before we go further, let's clear up one misconception. Some people think covered call ETFs are only for rich investors or experts. That's not true. They're accessible to anyone with a brokerage account. You don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars, just a plan and some patience. And the income potential is proportional to your investment size. Here's something I want you to think about. If the stock market is unpredictable, wouldn't you rather have some income coming in no matter what, instead of just hoping for capital gains? Comment below and tell me if you prioritize income over growth, or growth over income. Your answers will be fascinating to read. Let's also touch on taxes. Covered call ETFs generate income from options premiums, and this income is usually taxed differently than dividends or capital gains depending on your country. In the US, for example, the premiums are typically treated as ordinary income. That means your after-tax yield might be slightly lower than the headline number, but it's still a meaningful stream of cash. Another point worth noting, these ETFs can be part of a diversified portfolio. You don't have to go all in on covered calls. You might allocate a portion to high-growth stocks, another portion to bonds, and some to covered call ETFs for income. That way, you're getting the best of both worlds, growth potential and steady cash flow. Here's another question for you. If you could get 12% income from your stocks without selling them, would you focus more on these ETFs or stick with regular dividend stocks? Drop your answer in the comments section. I'm genuinely curious what people prefer. Now, let's talk a little psychology of investing. Many people get anxious when the market goes up and down. Covered call ETFs can help with this because they reduce stress. You're receiving income every month or quarter, which gives you confidence that your portfolio is working even when the market seems unpredictable. It's like getting paid to stay calm. And don't forget, these ETFs are designed to generate income consistently. You might see months with smaller premiums and months with bigger ones. Over time, it averages out. Consistency matters more than hitting one big score, especially if you're investing for retirement or long-term financial security. So are you starting to see how powerful this strategy can be? Covered call ETFs let you participate in the stock market, earn consistent income, and manage volatility, all without doing complex trades yourself. That's why more investors are taking notice. If this is making sense and you want more videos breaking down strategies like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It really helps me create more content that can help you invest smarter. Finally, I want you to think long-term. Would you rather chase the next hot stock, hoping for big returns, or focus on a strategy that pays you steadily while keeping you invested? Think about it and comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to read them. Covered call ETFs aren't magic, but they are a smart tool for investors looking to get paid while holding stocks. They offer a combination of income, growth, and risk management that's hard to beat in traditional investing. And the best part is, you can start learning and exploring them today. So, what's your take? Are you ready to explore covered call ETFs? Or do you have some concerns you'd want to research first? Drop your answer in the comment section. Let's start a conversation. I read every comment, and I really want to hear your perspective. That wraps up our deep dive into covered call ETFs. Remember, it's not just about chasing returns. It's about earning income, managing risk, and investing smarter. If you like this content, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about building passive income with stocks. Thanks for sticking with me till the end. The stock market doesn't have to be scary, and covered call ETFs are one of the ways to make it work for you. Keep learning, keep asking questions, and keep building strategies that make your money work for you.